Ahmedabad is the only heritage city of India. Ahmedabad is known for its history, traditions and customs. Ahmedabad has emerged as an important economic and industrial hub in India. Liberalization of the Indian economy have energized the city's economy towards treasury sector activities such as commerce, communication and construction. When there is trade, there is money, and where there is money, there is regulation. Customs is known in India for the last 3,000 years, and laws for collection of revenue and punishment for violation in Kautilya's Arthashastra. The modern system of taxation is, however, a British legacy.
Indian Customs Act came into operation in 1962. Before Indian Customs Act in 1962, there were 3 acts monitoring customs duty, what is being collected by this department. Sea Customs Act 1878, Land Customs Act 1924 and Aircraft Carrier Act 1935. All salient provisions of these 3 different acts have been combined into one act called Indian Customs Act.
Ahmedabad Customs protects Indian economy through 3 elements of nature: earth, water and air, and stands hard for the cause.
Ahmedabad Customs Commissariat has jurisdiction from Gujarat-Rajasthan border of north to Gujarat-Maharashtra border in south. There are 10 important ICDs. Out of that one, I will mention 3-4 very important, namely Ghodiyar, Sanand, Tumb, Barwada.
Ahmedabad Commissionerate has 3 customs divisions at Ahmedabad, Surat and Valsad. 1 Air Cargo Complex at Ahmedabad and International Airport at Ahmedabad and Surat. Whether it is a business trip or international holidays, Ahmedabad Customs is always ready to assist you. It is the center of trade for items such as organic food, confectionaries, electronics, precious metals and diamonds. It can be a woman's best choice.
The GSEC handles the import and export of cargo, and GAICL deals with the perishable goods and agricultural goods primarily. The Air Cargo Complex has an office of ADC also, that is Assistant Drug Controller.
It also has 1 foreign post office. Indian Customs indirectly provides employment to thousands of people. Forbidding challenges present themselves daily in the form of smuggling activities involving hazardous substances like cigarettes and narcotic drugs, dutiable goods such as gold, electronic items, prohibited items such as fireworks, arms and ammunitions. This is not only harmful to the economic fabric of country, but it is also against ethical idea of India.
Major ports we are having is Hazira. Hazira is strategically located in West Coast. This is a convenient international gateway for America, Europe, African countries as well as for Middle East.
Ahmedabad Customs has task force of patrolling boats scouting safeguard our waters from potential smuggling activities. Threats to coastal security are battled in harmony with Coast Guard and the local police. Ahmedabad Customs always work to achieve new heights. Technology has touched every aspect of our lives, and Ahmedabad Customs has incorporated it wholeheartedly. EDI, the Indian Customs EDI system, ICES, is designed to exchange, transact customs clearance related information electronically. Ahmedabad Customs is one of the best in the country when it comes to clearance of goods under RMS. AEO is a program under the aegis of the World Customs Organization.
On the facilitation side, the airports, we have taken a lot of measures at the airport to ensure the passenger clearance is fast. We are aggressively pursuing the Atithi app, which has been recently launched by the board. These measures towards passenger facilitation are another hallmark of way our airports, the face has changed over the period of
Recently, in 2019, 2 months back, we have booked a case and investigated it, which has detection of 4,886 kg of gold being smuggled over a period of time, and involving gold of between 1,400 crores.
Ahmedabad Customs has been always receptive towards fulfilling its role as a contributor to the society.
रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन के अलावा हम केंद्र सरकार द्वारा प्रायोजित स्वच्छता अभियान, नो प्लास्टिक यूज, सेव द वाटर जैसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रमों का भी एक हिस्सा है और उसे अपने अपने स्तर पर हम अपने डिवीजन लेवल पर, हेडक्वार्टर लेवल पर अच्छे से ढंग से प्रायोजित कर रहे हैं.
Officers from Ahmedabad Customs have been winning accolades in various sporting competitions held at national and regional levels. People's friend, smuggler's enemy. Ahmedabad Customs is always vibrant. हम जीते हैं शान से, मरते हैं शान से. देश की वित्त व्यवस्था सुरक्षित हमारे काम से.